almost every county when we've worked in this situation in the past, the assessor's office has been cooperative. Unfortunately, in Rutherford County, it's been nearly the opposite.
Tonight in growing Nashville, another concern: property taxes in the mid-state. The state says that Rutherford County Property Assessor's Office needs to correct thousands of property records, and if it doesn't happen within days, the Attorney General may get involved. Fox 17 News' Madeline Nolan joining us live from the Capitol with what both offices are saying and what this could mean for you, the taxpayer.
Yes, Megan, the state has set a November 26 deadline, giving the assessor an ultimatum because they were saying that progress was moving too slow. Tonight, we do have that letter as well as the response from the assessor himself. State officials have been reviewing property records in Rutherford County for about 2 years after discovering errors in how some homes and businesses were valued. A letter sent November 12th shows more than 2,000 parcels needed correction, with less than half entered as of last week.
So there are at least 2,000, if not more, property owners out there who are due either a refund in property taxes, perhaps for a couple of years worth of refund, or they're due a little bit more tax owed.
The deadline for the assessor to enter those changes is next Wednesday, November 26th. John Dunn with the Comptroller's office says the state intervened after what he described as a slow walking of the process, hoping that this deadline would get that process moving.
The reason why that's so important is because those 2,000 or so properties are going to have some sort of change associated with them that will impact how much property tax that property owner will pay.
I reached out to the Rutherford County Property Assessor, Rob Mitchell, who disagrees. In a written statement, he calls the timeline unfair, saying the state reversed many of its own directives, and he won't rush under pressure. Mitchell also says many of the flagged issues would have little to no effect on taxpayers, arguing his office is focused on what he calls material errors. If the work isn't done by next Wednesday, the issue could be referred to the Attorney General for enforcement. Now, if you believe your property value may be affected, both offices do recommend you reach out to the assessor's office directly. Reporting live here at the state capitol, I'm Madeline Nolan, Fox 17 News, your Code Red station.